Sage 100 Contractor manages multiple years of financial data in your company folder and produces correct accounting reports for all years and periods. When you're ready, you can move from period 12 of the current fiscal year to period 1 of the new fiscal year, which prepares you to post entries for the new year. You can post transactions for the previous or current fiscal year as needed. Let's take a closer look at how to advance to a new period. To change the period, open menu 1-6 Period and Fiscal Year Management. Be sure to log in with exclusive access or you won't be able to complete the process. Use Change Period to determine the default posting period when you make entries in modules. Let's click Change Period. Let's say the current period 12 is complete for the fiscal year, and at this point we're ready to advance to period 1 for the next fiscal year. Notice the current period is 12, and the Change Period To box fills in with 1 for the next fiscal year. When you click Change Period, the program performs an audit and reports any errors. A message displays the audit is complete with no errors found. At this time, click Yes to advance to period 1 of the next fiscal year. Another message displays that periods 2 through 12 of the next fiscal year are now available for posting. Click OK. Click Manage Period Availability to see what this looks like. The current fiscal year displays at the top, and in the grid you see the status for each period in that year. In this scenario, the status is open for periods 1 through 12. This means you can post entries into any of these periods. You can control in which periods users can post entries. As an administrator, you can lock access to a period if you select the period in the grid and click Lock Access. To make the period available again, select the period and click Open Access. You can also view previous fiscal year period availability. Let's take a look at a prior fiscal year. For the previous year, you can see period 12 is open. And if you look to the year before, which is the last archived year, you see period 0, which you use for prior year adjustments, is also open. In this lesson, you learned how to advance the period and review the status for each period.